Okay, bachcho, we are going to move on to the sequence which had a common difference onto a sequence which also has a common difference, but not at the first level. Before I go into this, I just want to make sure, okay, for example, if you have, let's say you have 5, comma, 8, comma, um, 11, comma, 14, and so on. So you must see that there is a difference uh, over here, which is 3. There is a difference of 3. There is a difference of 3. So what should be the nth term for this sequence? Hmm?
3n plus 2.
Yeah, very good. This nth term is 3n plus 2. So whenever you have a common difference, this nth term is always linear. Okay, this is called a linear expression. Okay, this is linear. Now look at the cases here in this exercise. You will see that, for example, if you look at this 4, comma 7, comma 12, comma 19, and so on. That is the first question here. Okay. Look at these differences here.
3n
We have the difference of 3 first of all, then there is a difference of 5,
plus 1.
then there is a difference of 7, and the next difference will be of 9, and then 11, and so on. So the difference is not common, but you will be surprised to see that the difference in the second stage, the next level, now the difference is same. This is going to be 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Such um, sequences where you get the common difference at the second stage, they have the nth term in this form, an squared plus bn plus c, which is called a quadratic one. Okay, this is quadratic. Okay, this one is quadratic. Okay. So, how to write the nth term? ठीक है बच्चों, got it? We are going to learn how to write the nth term for the sequences which have a common difference at the second stage. Okay. First of all, First of all, let me write another sequence so that I can tell you both side by side. Like look at this second one. In the second, you have 2, comma 8, comma 18, comma 32, and so on. The difference in the first level, if you find these differences over here, this difference is 6. This difference is going to be 10. The difference over here is going to be 14. The next, guess what would be the next difference? Hmm? That would be
18.
18, है ना? And so on. Now let's find the difference for the second time. So you see that now the differences, they are going to be
4.
4, 4, 4, and so on. Okay. Okay, we have to find the values of A, B, and C. So the good news for you is that finding A is very easy over here. You just half this common difference. Like if you have 2, 2, 2, 2, then your A is going to be 1. Like in this case, the common difference is they're all 4s. So your A will be, that will be equal to 2 over here. Okay, bacho? So one thing is done, that this term has been achieved, obtained, okay? That in this sequence, your squared term would be simply n squared. This is a bit long, okay? So that is why I don't like teaching this to the O-level students. And over here, we have the square term is 2n squared. Okay? ठीक है बच्चों? Now there are two methods of finding the remaining part of this sequence, which is bn plus c. I will be giving you the easier method. Okay, look at this. we are going to divide this sequence into two parts. One is we have got the squared part. We are left with this bn plus c still to be found, okay? And here we also have to find this bn plus c. So this sequence an square plus bn plus c for this first question has become n squared plus bn plus c, okay? And for this is 2n squared plus bn plus c. Okay, let me do this first for you and then you can try the second, okay? Bacho, this is your an square plus bn plus c, which is going to be 4 comma 7 comma 12 comma 19, okay? Let's write the n square over here. What will be n square? 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16, so on. Yes, bacho, let's take out this n square. If you take out n square from this whole sequence, what will be left? You will be left with b and c, and you are players of finding the nth term for this. Okay, I'm going to take out this n square from this. What is 4 minus 1? That is 3. 7 minus 4, that is 3. 12 minus 9, 3. 19 minus 16, 3.
Three.
So what is the nth term for this?
Three.
3,
N.
3n or just 3?
N.
Yes, Josefa, what is the nth term for this? You have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. What will be the 10th term for this?
Sir, only three.
It will always be 3. Okay. What will be the 100th term for this? That will also be 3. And what will be the nth term? That will also be 3. So the nth term for our this first question is going to be n squared plus 3. That is the nth term. That is how you find the nth term. Let's try this onto this second question. Okay. We have here we have here 6, 10, 14, 18, and so on. Let us take out 2n square, okay? 2n square, 2n square. One, it is 2, then this is going to be 8, then this is going to be 3 square is 9, 9 twos are 18, okay? 4 square is, sorry, 1 square, so 2 square is 4 twos are 8, and 3 square is, and 4 square is 16. This is going to be 32 over here, okay? And so on. Now, what is the difference here, bacho? That is 4. Then what is the difference here? That is 2. Hannah, what is the difference here? 6 minus 2, or like this is going to be, just let me just 1 minute. This is our an square plus bn plus c, and this one is 2n square, okay? So we have to take out this 2n square from this. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2, 14 minus 18 is minus 4, okay? And this
minus
one,
18,
this is minus, there is something wrong with this.
16.
This there is something wrong with this. Let me check. This was 6, 10, 14. Where did I get this question from?
4.
Fourth? No, it was the second
Second
question.
one.
2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 32. Okay. uh yes, this, there is a problem with this question. 2 comma 18. This is 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 32. No, I have written this. Oh, I have written this second step. So that is why I'm getting confused here. Okay. This is basically given to us. This is, I'll be now writing 2n square. Okay. So 2n square is 2 comma 8 comma, oh, it is the same. Okay. So that means the difference is going to be 0, 0, 0, and 0. So the nth term is 2n square. The nth term is 2n. I, by mistake, I wrote this one over here. Look at this. I have written this wrong here. This was the difference between them. Okay. This was the given sequence that I had to write at the top. Okay, bacho. Let's try this maybe third question quickly. We have 0. Let me write with white. Okay, third question. We have 0 comma 3 comma 8 comma 15. The difference, the first level is 3 comma 5 comma 7. Okay, and now the difference in with 2 comma 2 comma 2. So we have n square. The half of 2 is 1, so we have n square. Okay, now this sequence is let's take out n square from all these values. I have to be quick because we are running out of time. Okay. Okay, bacho. Uh, let's do this quickly. We have 0, comma 3, comma 8, comma 15, and so on. So I'm going to take n squared from this 1, 4, 9, 16. So you see what is the difference? 0 minus 1 is
Minus 1.
minus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. So the nth term is going to be n squared minus 1. That is the nth term for the third case over here. Okay, for the third question. So if you try these questions, guys, hopefully you will learn how to write the nth term for a quadratic sequence. Okay.